Today I'm thinking to tell you a little bit about the piano in general. Yeah, we have different types of pianos. So the most important and biggest one is the grand piano. Mm-hmm. It has almost like 6 meters. I mean, this is the biggest one. And there is one which is like more often used, which has 3 meters. That one you can find it actually in Dubai, in many places. And we have the one which is baby grand piano, which has maybe like 1.5 meters to 2 meters. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Then we have the upright piano, which you can put it in your house next to any wall. That's why it's called upright piano. Mm-hmm. And then we have pianos like this, which imitate very well the real piano, but they are electric. They have a sound which is very close to it, but it's an electric one, and it's much easier to carry. Then we have small keyboards like that.
Yeah, it's very nice, by the way.
Yeah, which is even easier to manage and even easier to carry. Yeah, so here you go. We have acoustic pianos, we have electric pianos. And from here, actually, I can go ahead and explain you a little bit more about even the types of music that we can play with them, yeah? Yep. So usually the grand piano, that one is used mostly for classical music, mm-hmm. and also jazz music. Mm-hmm. Then, the electric pianos, we can use it sometimes for classical music, but it's mostly used for pop, for rock, because mm-hmm. you can find a lot of sounds, a lot of synths. Okay, so today, just to break it down a little bit, I want to teach you one song. I think it's time for you to learn one song because you're doing so well. And I think this is the most important song that everyone can learn. Mm-hmm. It's a happy birthday song.
Yeah, why not? Let's start.
So we are gonna go from the note G, mm-hmm. the last note, the last alphabet note from the music. So we go like this. Yeah, so we take finger 1, and then we alternate from 1 and 2. Yeah?
Okay.
So let's break it down a little bit, so it's going to be easier to adjust. Oh my God. That was great. Okay, let's take a step
Something
by step.
Like this.
Yes. So let's play the first part only, yeah?
Ta-ta.
Yes, so amazing. So there is a good tip when you're playing the music and playing the piano, yeah? You always have to kind of imagine and hear it first in your head, mm-hmm. and then you play it on the mm-hmm. piano. Mm-hmm. This is the part that you know. Now let's go for the next one. Okay, so it starts the same. And instead of 4, we go to 5.
Okay,
that's it. Yes, amazing. Okay, one more time. Exactly. So this is the first part from the happy birthday song. So now, you can actually play the piano for someone who has a birthday.
Yeah.
So that's the thing.
At least I know something to play now.
Okay, so we were before in the C position, mm-hmm. yeah? And this time we went to the G position, yeah? So this way you can see that we have so many different type of positions with the piano, yeah? So I want you to try one more time just to check on you.
Okay.
How well do you remember it? Show me the position of G again.
G.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Yes. Great. Okay, that's it. This is how you learn the first part of Happy Birthday. Try to practice it every day. Especially, it's very good to practice it right after the class. So everything is fresh in your mind and you transform the short memory into the long one. Yeah?
Okay.
So it's gonna stick in there. Okay?
Sure.
That's it. That was our 5th session for the CASIO piano series. I'm very excited to see you in the next one.